boy deserving. I don't mention how to draw the real thick nose. So I thought that all gonna be easy because that was my steal. And I thought that all gonna be fun because yeah, I will try. Cause I'm real bored and I don't know what I will do. I didn't allow myself to do anything. So yeah, so let's get started. First, draw the circle on it. Draw a small simple circle on it. But try and draw them two vertical lines on the side of it. Draw up, up, yeah. And draw the horizontal line on it. And then draw the two vertical line on it. Draw it small. Draw them small vertical line on it. On the side of it. And then draw them slanted line on the other part of it. And then draw it on the bottom too. And a little bit of, yeah. But I drew it and draw them nostril. To draw it real dark. So draw it according to the guideline. And then yeah. And then draw the wing. Draw the nose wing. So draw it again according to the guidelines. Draw the nose wing. Draw a little bit of curve on it. So draw a little tip. So then connect it with a bridge, with a nose bridge, and then connect it with a nostril. Because that'll be ruin your artwork. So yeah. I think make it a little bit longer. So yeah. But draw all that and draw them shading. So draw them shading at the nostril. So hold your pencil like this. And draw them. Yeah. Draw them shading at the nostril. No. Draw them shading at the nose wing. So again, draw it a little wider. And then draw them. Yeah. Draw them shading out of nose bridge. So draw it darker. Draw it all to you. A little bit of thicker at the top part of it. A little bit of thicker. To draw it darker. And then draw them wider, shading on the side of it. Draw them wider. Draw them a little bit wider, yeah. But draw it and then draw them shading on a space between a bridge and a nose wing. Draw them shading on it. So yeah, draw it quite darker. Not a wider, not a darker, quite. Just a quite darker. Make sure the lines are not visible. Just, yeah. If the lines are visible, it will ruin your artwork. But draw it and then draw them. And then draw them shading at the middle. Draw them a little bit. But draw all that and then draw them. And then remove the guidelines. You can't remove it. to draw them shading at the middle. Draw them a little bit. So yeah. But draw that and then blend it. You can blend it. So blend it with a draw that and then yeah, make it shading darker a little. And then remove them guidelines at the bottom part. And draw them shading. And then draw them shading at the nose jaw again. This time draw it darker. And then draw them shading at a nose bridge again. You can shape the nose. Shape the nose. So a little bit of thicker out of the top part of it. Draw that. And draw them blending on it. But draw all that and draw them shading on the side of the nose. So you can't draw them shadows. Draw it on the side of the nose. So start from the bottom. Shadow helps the drawing to make it more two-dimensional. Yeah. So start from the bottom. Draw all that and blend it with a cotton. And draw them highlights. So do it at a lower part of it. Do it at the part of it. Do it at a part of a wing that is near at a bridge. But draw all that and then blend it. And then draw the nose. I thought that all gonna be easy because that was was needle, but now I found out that was real hard because that was still have a details on it. So but yeah, I tried. So thank you so much for watching. So I hope to watch my next video to learn more about my next challenge.